We're going to look at inserting a video into our presentation from YouTube. For this to work, we need to have an internet connection, and if at work, the company needs to allow access to YouTube. Once we have both of these, it is a very simple thing to do. But please be aware that most of the video features that we've been looking at will not be available to streamed video. We'll start by going to the Home tab and clicking on the New Slide button, and again we'll choose the title and content slide. On the slide, click on the Insert Video button. This time we're looking at the second choice, which has a search box that is directly connected to YouTube. Click into that search box and type in knowledgemarket.ie. We can press Enter or click on the search icon. Now I'm looking for the video called Risk Register, and I can see that it's the fourth from the left, but just hover the cursor over it to confirm that's correct. When we found the right one, we can just click on it to select it, then click Insert. A small image of the video is placed onto the slide. Let's grab those sizing handles and make it bigger. That's better. The video cannot be played in this view, only in slideshow view. But before we do that, let's click on the Playback tab. And notice that nearly every feature on this tab has been greyed out, as they can't work with videos that are streamed, only those we've directly connected to. To run the video, we need to move into slideshow view, and we need to wait for the play button to appear. The length of time that it takes for the play button to appear will depend on your internet connection. But once that play button appears, we can click on it to run the video. Through a brainstorming session, all buttons on the video work except for the full screen button. Let's just escape out of that. So it's very easy to add in a video from YouTube, but it's not always the best thing to do. Personally, I generally prefer to download the video to my computer and run the video locally, which means it is guaranteed to work. Plus, I get access to all the PowerPoint video features. With streamed video, we're completely dependent on the internet connection working correctly at that moment in time. Now we'll give the slide a name, so let's click up into that title box and type in video from YouTube. Then let's move back to the second slide and click into its title box and type in video from file. In our next video, we'll look at inserting some audio into our presentation. So if you're moving on to that next video called Insert Audio, then you can keep this file open.